Alright, part two. So we took this old piece off. There was I guess closing this valve, I had a piece of plastic attached to it. Couldn't get it off with my fingers, so I used a pair of NASA needle noses. No, this is a regular needle nose. So we're gonna put this back on here. Alright. I'm just gonna set it back where it was. Real easy. I'll actually get this out of the way. Hook the sensor back up. It's beyond easy. Put little bolts back on. Basically hand tighten them until you get them all the way down, and then come in behind it with the ratchet. God, this is the easiest fix ever. This one's kind of hard to do. The fingers. So we'll swap it over and use the little tool. Easy peasy, all done.